So there's the first one. Any questions? Pretty easy, right? We just drew a couple of triangles and we could solve for that pipe. So let's go to number 2 here. Get that in the center. Everybody see that okay? I just don't want to make sure I'm hiding anything here. So again, in this particular situation, I have another measurement from the corner, yes? So when I have a measurement from the corner, let me use a different color here. I will draw a big right angle triangle wall to wall when I have a measurement from the corner. Now this is just painfully slow, I know. While I'm drawing this, you guys can get me my wall-to-wall measurement. I think you could, whoa, holy moly. There we go. You can get me my wall-to-wall measurement. When you want to put that in the chat, the wall-to-wall measurement. So wall to wall, this is 215, 304, and 55. I have a wall to wall. Each side, yes, Dallas, each side is 574, and this is 574. So wall to wall measurement's going to be 1148. You see where we get the 1148, Dallas?
Yep.
Okay, excellent. That's important. Whoop, okay. So now I have to solve or remove this piece right here. And I'm going to draw a right angle triangle. Let me redraw that. Right here. So if I have 188 as my run, I could times that by 1.414. Christian, this is just an assignment that I have. You're going to be doing something similar with this in another thing. I'm just going over all of these examples with you. Do you want me to put it in the chat, this assignment?
Please.
Thank you. Okay, I will. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I lost it here. Hang on a second. Whoa. There, I put that in the chat.
Thanks.
So this number over here is 265.832. So this is 265.832. And now I got to solve for this piece right here. Here's my next right angle triangle. And now I have a rise of 290. So 290 times 1.414 is 410.06. So this is 410.06. So now I will minus both of these off of 1148. So I can get pipe A. And 265. Did I realize it? Yeah. So what's our number here? I think I got a bad number. What did you guys get? Anybody? Anybody? Bueller? What is this? 1148 minus 265. There you go. So that's 472.11. So pipe A is 472.11. Okay. Now, woo, I don't want to do that. Oh, geez. Let's do another one. So the one on the screen here, let's do one more together, and then I'm going to get you to do the next one by yourself. Yeah? So I'm going to draw, because I have a measurement from the corner. Can everybody see the measurement from the corner? So when I have a measurement from the corner, I start there and I draw a big right angle triangle. Wall to wall. Whoa. There, right there. My hand's not steady enough for doing it freehand. So that's why I'm using this ruler. There we go. Now I can get my wall-to-wall measurement. My 14 and 30, which is 44 plus 6, is 50 and 50. So wall-to-wall measurement is 100 inches. And now I can do this side over here. I will draw myself a right angle triangle right there. And I have a rise of 17. And if I can draw the right numbers, 1.414. 24.038. So this is 24.038, this line. And now I have this one down here. So this is my next right angle triangle. And that's 16 times 1.414. And that's 22.624. And I minus that off of 100. Right here. 100 minus those two. And my pipe A is 53.338. Pretty easy stuff, right? Okay, please do this one. Take 5 minutes and do number 4 on this page. Okay, so the next thing we're going to work on is offsets around corners with obstructions. So look at this. We don't have a measurement from the corner on this particular offset. And we still want to find out what A is here, but we just don't have a measurement from the corner. So anytime we don't have our measurement from the corner, what we do is we start from the center of the obstruction or that object in the middle. And what I do is I draw a line parallel to the wall, the outside walls, right down to the pipe. So I'm going to draw a line right here. And then I'm going to draw another line. Woo! Come on, ruler. You can do it. From the center of the object straight to the pipe. And then, well, let me just zoom in again, because I don't know why. And now I have two right angle triangles right here. And now I can get this measurement so far. So you can see I have half of this diameter here. The diameter is 650. So half of that diameter is 325. So that's this piece right here. And then I go 500. So that's 825. So this side is 825 and this side is 825. We also have to remember that none of this stuff is to scale. None of it's to scale. So this is my phone, so I've relogged on to my computer. Sure. Okay. Now, here's the fun part. I need to then solve for this piece to get my center to center measurement. I need this line right here. I'm going to call that line a travel, and I'm going to draw a right angle triangle right there. Let me just redo that one, see if it'll snap into place. So I'm going to draw a right angle triangle right here. See, there's my right angle. Okay. So the next thing I got to find out is I'm going to take the measurement from the red line to the wall. This measurement right in here. I need that measurement. So that is half of this diameter. So that's 325 plus 280. So 325 plus 280 is 605. So this line is 605 long. Everybody see where I got that measurement? And if I then minus off this 300 over here, see this 300 over here? If I minus that off of the 605, that would give me this line right here. This black line is now equal to 305. And that is a run or a rise. So then I could take 305 and times that by 1.414. And so this line right here is 431.27. And now the next step is I need to solve for this piece over here. So I'm going to draw another right angle triangle. That one didn't snap to place. I'm going to draw another right angle triangle right in this location. Why is that not? There we go. And now I get the measurement from the red line to the wall. So that's 325 plus 200. So this line is 525. And if I minus off the 300 on the bottom here, that gives me that line right here at 325. So 325 times 1.414. Is equal to 459.55. So this line right here, this travel is 459.55. And now I simply add them all together. To get a grand total
I'm sorry, Doc, how did you get 325 there?
The 525, you see this measurement right here, the 525?
I think it's supposed to be 225.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Oh, it's 225. Oh, that's right. 225.
And then my
$225.
hypotenuse, I got 318.15 out of that.
That's right. Thank you for speaking up. $318 point what?
15.
And now we add all those together. Then to get a grand total of A equals 2399.42. Cool. Okay, so there's our last one we just did, 2399.42. And we'll go on to the next one, number 6. Huh? Okay. Is everybody all right?
Yeah, it was a stretch. Sorry about that.
Okay, I got scared there. I thought I hurt somebody. So I can try this freehand without the ruler because the ruler seems to take so long. So if I start from the center of the object, because I don't have a measurement from the corner, I will draw a right angle triangle. Oh, look at that, worked. And there, I have 2 right angle triangles. So I can find out what this measurement is on the bottom here by taking half or the radius of this diameter, which is 210. So that's 105 plus 150. So this line here is 255, and this is 255.
Hey Doug, would you
Yeah.
mind writing out the math on the side?
Sure.
Just so that I can follow along on these center ones?
Okay, so 210 divided by 2 is equal to 105. And then I add 150 to it to get 255. And that's it. That's all I did there. So the next thing I want to do is I want to solve for this piece right here. And I'm going to draw another right angled triangle right there. And then I'm going to determine the measurement from the orange line all the way to the wall. And that is half of this, so that's 105 plus 90. So this line is 195. And if I minus off the 100 over here, that makes this line right here in the black, that line is 105. So now I can get the travel of that by going 105 times 1.414. Which is equal to 148.47. So this line right here is 148.47. And now I want to solve for this piece right here. This is my travel. Here's my right angle triangle. That is not good. Let me try that again. There we are. And now I get the measurement from the orange line to the wall, which is 105 plus 90, which is 195. And then I have to minus off 80 off of that to get this line right here. This line right here is equal to 115.
Just this, Doug,
Yeah,
the 105 that you have in the top right, is that correct?
I don't know.
195 minus 100?
No, that's not right.
Oh, gosh. Okay, let's go back. Oh, this line. 195 minus 100 is 95. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that makes better sense. That's 95. So 95 times 1.414. Thank you for that, guys. Keep me on track. So that's 134.33.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 134.33. Wow, I'm just messing this up completely, ain't it? So let's get down to the back bottom one here where we have this triangle where we have a rise of 115. So 115 times 1.414. And that's 162.61. So this line is 162.61. Now I add all of those together. So that's 255 plus 255 plus 134.33 plus 162.61 is type A.
Can I ask a question?
Yep.
Okay, on the left-hand side there where we have the 90 and the 80.
Yeah.
How come we don't add those ones together?
They don't add together. So this from this orange line right here,
Yeah.
we need this measurement to the wall. You got to
Oh,
remember,
okay.
this
Yeah.
is not to scale.
Yeah.
None of this is.
I see it now because the 80. Yeah. Okay. So you just take the number from the other side.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got a total of 806.94.
Yeah.
Has everybody got 806.94?
Yep.
All right. Let's go to number 7. I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes. Post your answer in the chat. Okay. I'm going to just no, I don't need the ruler. I can do this. So we don't have a measurement from the corner, so we start from the center of the object. We draw a line straight down, parallel to the wall, and that's not bad. It's pretty close. So half of 376 is 188. So it's 188 plus 229. Is the rise, is this line right here. Okay, so that line right there is 417. So if this is 417, then this side is 417, or this measurement right here is 834. Then I want to solve for this piece of pipe right here. I'll draw a right angle triangle right there. And now I'll get the measurement from this black line all the way to the wall. So that's going to be 188 plus 118. So 188 plus 118. So this line is 306. And then I'll minus off 168. That's over in the corner. So now this line right here is equal to 138. So now I can go 138 times 1.414 to give me that travel. And that is equal to 195.132. So this line is 195.132. And now we do the other side. This is the line I want to solve for. Here's my right angle triangle. We get the measurement from the line, the black line to the wall, which is 188 plus 121. So this line is 309. And I will then minus off the 145 to get me this line right here is 164. So then I go 164 times 1.414 is equal to 231.896. So this line is 231.896, and I add those all together. To get 1261.028. Cool. Cool. Okay, all you keeners, here's number 8. Give it a shot. So we'll solve for this particular unequal spread offset. So here we go. We have A. We want to solve for A first right here. So we have a right angle triangle right here. Everybody see that right angle triangle that I just drew there? So if I extend this line right here, oh, look, this is 600. This is 300. So that means this line has to be 300. And then the rise on this also has to be 300. So A is equal to 300 times 1.414. Which is 424.2. So I know that this measurement from here to here is 300. If this is 500 over here, then B is equal to 500 minus 300, which is equal to 200 is B. Does everybody see where B is? So if I had this measurement right here is 500, then I could just minus off 300 to get B. Now C, I'm going to draw a right angle triangle right here. Oh, that didn't work. Let me draw that again. C, well, I don't know quite yet, Alex. I'm going to add these two together to get 1140 up at the top. And I'm going to add these two together on the bottom to get 870. And then I should be able to get what this measurement is right here. So I'm going to go 1140 minus 870. And so this line right here, right there, is 270. So this rise right here is also 270. So C is equal to 270 times 1.414. 381.78. Yes, Alex, you were right. And now D is simply, D is 500 minus 270. So D is 230. Very good. I think we should do another one like that. However, I want you to do it. So let me import another picture. Okay, in the chat, I want you to put A equals B equals C equals D equals and give me your answers for this one.